Typogram is a new web app that is aimed at styling short amounts of text such as headlines or logo types or your social media posts. And it has a pretty intuitive interface. And maybe you ask yourself where to find that in Adobe applications. In this video, we'll concentrate on styling. If you have formatted all of that, then you can click on Generate Artboard. And in Generate Artboard, you can generate different styles. So here we have all, and you can see what's happening here. I'm not going to scroll through that. We have simply type and ligatures and different glyphs. So then we have all these variable font gradients, and then we have colorful here. Here we also have mashups. So this is combining different kinds of fonts. So let's go back to colorful because that contains all these styles. And you're seeing that this has a method to it. So this is filling all the holes, all the counters, and if it's an outline font, also all these areas that are enclosed. How do we get that in Adobe Apps? And this is where Illustrator really shines. Let's go into Illustrator, and I'm deleting this background here, and let's just take this text here. So when thinking of styling, what you're going to use is the appearance panel. And yes, this is not intuitive because you have to do it yourself. Let's check out a text that has some holes. So we want to have some outline font, maybe this one, and I'm going to make it black. So now we have some counters and also enclosed areas. If you want to fill them, then in here you can add a new fill to that, and we can make this red. And also it needs to go below the character, so it's behind. And now in order to get this into all those holes, we can apply an effect up here, Pathfinder, and then divide. And you see nothing is happening because we need to click this and uncheck this option. And then you see we've got it filled. Okay, so this is good. If you want to have these fills in different colors, then you either need to expand all of this so you get actual shapes, and then we can use a script to color them. I'm going to put a link to that in the description of the video. So while you have to do this styling yourself, and that means basically you have to learn how to combine these effects, there are also a couple of resources that you can use for that. So let's take a look at those. First of all, there is Adobe Stock. And there are also a lot of other stock portals that have this kind of content. So in Adobe Stock, I've searched for style text, and I have searched for the free content. So these are free. You see, free. And these are editable text effects. Probably not all, but if you look for the editable text effects, then what you can find in here are effects that you find in the appearance panel that you can apply to your own text. Those are these, and there are a lot of them. There are also YouTube channels, such as my channel, or there is a pretty awesome Japanese channel. I'm also going to link to it in the description of this video, and it shows a lot of this kind of text effects. They are all editable. They all use, or nearly all of them use, Pathfinder effects, such as I have shown you. And if you have one of these videos, so I'm going to open one of them, and then in the description, you see there is a description of the steps that you can use and translate via Google Translate, for instance, to understand what has been said in there. So there's a lot of things that you can do in Adobe Illustrator, which is not limited to a certain amount of effects, but you're completely free to combine those effects and use them in your artwork.